W. Dean Sweet left an indelible impression on the people whose lives he touched, and he will long be remembered as a concerned and caring human being, one who showed joy, warmth, and generosity. Mr. Sweet was the founder of Sweet Manufacturing Company and also a devoted father, friend, and civic leader. Throughout his lifetime, he created a reputation built on integrity and honesty. Born and raised in Springfield, Ohio, Mr. Sweet graduated from Springfield High School in 1946. From there, he attended The Ohio State University, where he majored in agricultural economics. He put himself through college by delivering flowers by bicycle for the Catron Flower Company. After graduation, Mr. Sweet began his career as a grain warehouse examiner for the United States Department of Agriculture. This sparked his interest in the grain industry, and he went on to work for his personal mentor, Park Burroughs of Burroughs Equipment Company. When a tragic accident took the life of the owner of Drake Mill Machinery in Yellow Springs, Ohio, a major supplier of equipment to Burroughs Equipment Company, Mr. Sweet was encouraged to take the role of general manager for the company. Soon after he accepted the new position, the firm experienced increased sales and profitability. Despite the company's new success, it was not long before the late owner's wife decided to close the business. At the age of 27, recently married and with a terminally ill father, Mr. Sweet decided to start his own business on November 1, 1955. With 3 former Drake employees on board, he leased the property of an abandoned airplane hangar and started to build his business. As the company began to develop, he and his wife Jane added 3 new members to their family: Alan, Roger, and Alicia. Sweet Manufacturing Company was a family business, and everyone contributed to its success. Throughout the coming years, Mr. Sweet saw a challenge to meet the needs of markets in the grain and feed industries. The key to his success was recognizing a need and altering his business plan accordingly. This allowed Sweet Manufacturing Company to become an industry leader with a reputation for quality products and outstanding customer service. The company's continued growth and success was a result of his personal dedication to the business and his employees. As Sweet Manufacturing Company found success, Mr. Sweet never forgot to give back to his community and his employees. Sweet Manufacturing Company has been dedicated to innovation and change in our well-established industry. After 65 years, the family business is still family-oriented, with long-term loyal employees, ably displaying the potential of each person to have a positive effect on the quality of life in our society. Mr. Sweet earned the respect and admiration of those who had the pleasure of his association. His outstanding record of service will long stand as a hallmark worthy of emulation. Although his family, friends, employees, and community lost him November 14, 2005, it is clear that his contributions continue to positively impact the lives of others today. W. Dean Sweet can be described as a pioneer, a visionary, an entrepreneur, a survivor, a wise leader, a man of faith, and a father figure. He made a lifelong commitment to the industry and to the company, its employees, its products, its dealers, and all of its customers. He set the foundation for the core values that are in place today.